Come and spend a day in the life with me. Let's get going. See what magic I can work with that last one. Yeah. See, the rear end is not loving its life much at the minute. Just the weight, yeah. There we are. All picked up. One is going to be sold as a spare for someone to buy. And I'm going to take 4. So, yeah, I'm going to show you exactly the wheels I bought when we get there later on. In the meantime, I've got an hour down to Bournemouth now, to Alloy Magic, to go and drop off the alloys to collect later in the week. So, let's get going.